America, something has just flown past our sun, and NASA says it's unlike anything we've ever seen. An object from another star system has just revealed behavior so bizarre, scientists are questioning whether it's even a comet at all. And if it isn't, then what exactly is heading toward Earth next? For months, astronomers across the United States have been tracking a mysterious object drifting into our solar system, an object we now call 3I Atlas. And after its close encounter with the sun, this thing has become even more confusing, more dramatic, and far more alarming than anyone expected. We're talking about something glowing brighter than typical comets, changing colors in impossible ways, and even altering its own trajectory, as if it wasn't just drifting, but steering. Tonight, we're breaking down every insane update NASA just released, because the story of 3I Atlas might be the most important space event of 2025. 2025 isn't a normal year for our sun. We're sitting right at the peak of what scientists call the solar maximum, a violent period that only arrives every 11 years. The sun fires off massive solar flares. Gigantic coronal mass ejections rip through space. Charged particles slam into Earth's atmosphere, creating the brightest auroras Americans have seen in years. This solar maximum began in late 2024, and we're only now coming out of its most chaotic period. And right in the middle of all this chaos, 3I Atlas makes its approach. When any comet, interstellar or local, swings near a star, the real show begins. Heat, radiation, solar storms, all of it slams into the object. But what happened to 3I Atlas during its close pass isn't just interesting. It is unprecedented. Just days ago, NASA shared a new photograph taken from a spacecraft orbiting Mars. This is the closest look humanity will ever get of 3I Atlas. And the image? A fuzzy glowing dot. That's it. No clear surface, no visible structure, just a bright blur surrounded by dust. But although the picture didn't reveal much, what happened right after the photo was taken is what shocked scientists across NASA, ESA, and multiple American observatories. Because the second 3I Atlas approached the sun, it started acting like nothing we've ever seen. As 3I Atlas swung toward the sun, its brightness didn't just rise a little. It skyrocketed, becoming 400 times brighter in mere days. Typical comets brighten somewhere between 10 times and 100 times. Atlas, 400 times. Over the summer, Atlas reflected mostly red light. That's what dusty comets usually do. But then suddenly, it turned green. No one knows why. And before scientists could figure that out, Atlas changed color again. As it entered its closest point to the sun, Atlas didn't become more red, which is what physics predicts. Instead, it shifted all the way to blue. That means one of two things. It released a massive cloud of some unknown blue-emitting gas, something no known comet produces in this quantity. Or something internal, something inside the object, created the energy responsible for the change. This is the moment scientists' jaws hit the floor. During its closest approach on October 29th, Atlas suddenly changed direction by 135 kilometers and increased its speed by another 60 kilometers, all in a single day. That's about 200 kilometers of movement not caused by gravity. For context, the interstellar traveler Borisov showed around 100 kilometers per day. A typical solar system comet like Hale-Bopp, 1% of what Atlas just did. Atlas didn't drift. It accelerated, which leaves scientists with two choices. Either it released enormous jets of gas pushing it off course, or it's using propulsion, natural or not. That level of acceleration is unlike anything Earth has ever measured. After whipping around the sun, Atlas unleashed a display that stunned astronomers. Images show 7 separate jets of gas blasting from its core, most firing away from the sun, a few blasting toward the sun, all powerful enough to remain sharply defined, even while the object spins every 16 hours. Normal comets spit gas randomly. Atlas produces jets strong enough to maintain structure while rotating. And then, in just 24 hours, those 7 jets merged into one colossal plume stretching nearly 3 million kilometers long. A second plume, an anti-tail, shot toward the sun, measuring almost 1 million kilometers. Comets aren't supposed to do that. Not during a solar maximum. Not at that distance. Not with that strength. But the surprises didn't end there. Inside all the gas and dust lies the actual object, the nucleus. Scientists estimate it could be at least 5 kilometers wide, possibly as large as 10 kilometers. If that upper estimate is right, Atlas is 20 times larger than Oumuamua, 10 times bigger than Borisov, and massive enough to survive interstellar travel for billions of years. The odds of something this big wandering through space for unimaginable amounts of time without hitting anything and then passing directly near our sun while humanity has technology to observe it are extremely low. And yet, here it is. This story isn't over. On December 19th, 2025, 3I Atlas will make its closest pass to Earth. Every major telescope, Hubble, James Webb, ground observatories across America, ESA instruments, NASA satellites, will point directly at this thing. Because whatever Atlas is, a gigantic comet, a never-before-seen interstellar body, a fragment from another solar system, or something designed, we are about to get answers. No matter what 3I Atlas turns out to be, natural, strange, or extraordinary, one thing is clear. This is the most unpredictable, most powerful, and most mysterious interstellar object humanity has ever seen. And on December 19th, we're all about to witness history.